Good morning, students. Let us start a new topic from energy chapter, which will be examples of transformation of energy. We have already studied the meaning of transformation of energy, which is also called conversion of energy. That is, when energy is converted from one form into another, it is called transformation of energy. So today we are going to deal with few examples where we find transformation of energy taking place. Like, we can start with this mechanical energy to electrical energy. So how can we convert mechanical energy into electrical energy? You can see the device name is written here. It is dynamo. Dynamo is a kind of small generator where we can convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Why we say mechanical energy? That in order to run the generator, we have to first rotate the handle of the generator, which is a kind of mechanical energy in it. Now it is this mechanical energy that gives out an electrical energy. Same way you can see the reverse arrow, which means electrical energy can also be converted into mechanical energy. And to convert electrical into mechanical energy, the device is motor. Like in the fans also, we find the motor functioning, and it is due to this motor only that electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. The fan when moves, it is a kind of mechanical energy. Then we have electrical energy into heat energy. A very common example is electric iron. You know very well. And then heat energy into electrical energy, it is called thermocouple. It is a device that converts heat energy into electrical energy. Then we have electrical energy into sound energy. The device called loudspeaker can do it. Loudspeaker can convert electrical energy into sound energy. And to convert sound energy into electrical energy, it is the microphone. Remember, when we speak anything before the microphone, our sound energy, it produces electrical impulse, which is also a kind of electrical energy. Then we have chemical energy into light energy. Candle is a very good example, a lighted candle, because candle has chemical energy stored in it. When we light the candle, it gives out light energy. Similarly, light energy can be converted into chemical energy. The process is photosynthesis. The plants absorb the light energy of the sun, which produces food, and the food stored in the plant is the chemical energy. We have the last number 5 written at top, which is electrical energy into light energy. Bulb once again is a very good example, because when you put on the bulb or when you allow electric current to pass through the bulb glows, which is nothing but the light energy. And then light energy to electrical energy, we have photocell, which is also called solar cell. In solar cell, you know, it is the light energy of the sun that is absorbed, and then that light energy is converted into electrical energy. So after this, we have a topic called degradation of energy. Degradation of energy means the conversion of energy into an undesirable form of energy. We all know that when energy is converted from one form into another, whole energy does not change into a desired form. A part of the energy is either converted into heat energy or is converted in the form of radiation, which is of no use to us. So such kind of energy which is simply wasted in between while getting converted into another form of energy is called degradation of energy or undesirable form of energy. Now this energy is of no use to us, so we also call dissipation of energy, that is wastage of energy. And one more thing you should keep in your mind, that when we convert mechanical energy into another form of energy, mechanical energy or potential energy can be at the most be converted only into one form of energy, that is kinetic energy. And then this kinetic energy can be changed to other form of energy or various form of energy like heat energy, sound energy, etc. But potential energy, as we have already done this also, that it can only be converted first into kinetic energy. So this was the topic that we dealt today, and tomorrow we will be starting the last topic, that will be power, which will be the end of the chapter. So you have to learn all the examples given here. Questions can either be asked to write the name of the device which can convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, or in sometimes that device name will be given and you will be asked to say the conversion of energy into different forms. Like bulb, what kind of transformation of energy takes place? So in that case you have to write bulb can convert electrical energy into light energy. So this way the questions may ask. Thank you.